Hey guys, let me show you how to make text appear using Jetpack Compose UI in Android Studio. Let's get started. So I know you guys can see that my workspace is basically empty right now, and yes, that's true. But that's basically what happens when you open up a new project and you put empty project for Android Studio. But let's fix this. So the first thing we want to do right here is we're going to create an ad and we're going to put composable. So basically what this is doing is it tells Android Studio that you're about to use Jetpack Compose UI, and Android Studio gets ready to run. Get ready to run your Jetpack Compose UI code, of course. So after that, we're just going to create a little function. We're going to put fun, which means function, and we'll just put text, just like this. We'll put something just a little bit simple that we can remember, text. Now after you do that, we're just going to place a little modifier inside, and basically this is just like a default modifier. It's just like a default screen, basically like a default layout, because we already have our layout right here, but we're just going to set it to basically this right here. So after you do that, you want to make your curly braces right here, and we're just going to put a capital T, and then you should have some options like this appear to you. So we're going to choose this one right here that has text string, just like this. Well, for this case at least. Now once you do that, let's open up these brackets a little bit so we can see better. We're going to put text. You can put a lowercase t this time. We're going to put equals, and we're going to have these little signs right here, these little apostrophes, and inside we're just going to put hello. Wait, since it is a programming video, let's just put hello world instead. Hello world. Just like that. So once you do that, you're going to put your function inside here. Just like that. But don't forget to put the modifier. You see it's asking me for the modifier right here. And remember, this is just a default modifier. We're just going to put equals modifier, just like that. So basically this is going to show us a preview of the function, since we put a preview composable right here. Preview show background equal true. That means once this finishes rendering, boom, hello world. But you're probably wondering, how would I put into my main function so it can actually work? Well, after this inner padding, you will put text, well, the name of your function that you named, and of course we have our modifier, default modifier. But in this case, since we have inner padding, we want to make sure this works with the inner padding. So we're just going to put modifier dot padding, and inside the parentheses we'll put inner padding, and just like that the red line goes away. Basically, scaffold and the inner padding, it wants to make sure everything works well, so everything doesn't get mixed up together. So that's why you have to put the modifier, that padding, that inner padding, so it can sync well with this. If you enjoyed this tutorial, I recommend you check the other videos on my channel. Mass Programmer out.